commercial utilization application.
Okay, sir. Any member from the panel who would care to answer the question? By the way, sir, what is your name?
I am Dr. Salas, a staff of our President, Dr. Livio Caparas, Vice President for Research and
If I may, I'd like to introduce the newcomers. Sabi nga nila, I'd like to acknowledge the late, you know, kasi who just passed away. By the way, far left is the Vice President of Academic Affairs, Dr. Viola de los Reyes. Next to her is the Vice President for Research and Extension of the University, Dr. Nilo Salas. The other guy was already introduced, and I'd like to acknowledge also the President of the Marikina Polytechnic College, President Henry Llanada. Please occupy the front seat, dahil ikaw na ang susunod na tatanungin. I guess the question of Vice Salas is not actually a question, but a suggestion that in evaluating the how do you call it, the entry, the viability should also be considered. Yun lang naman. Part.